Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about how to increase pumping output naturally using simple habits that many mothers can include in their daily routine. One of the most important things is consistency. Pumping at similar times each day helps your body recognize the routine and respond more regularly over time. Before starting a session, try to relax for a few minutes. A calm environment and comfortable position often help the process feel smoother and more effective. Some mothers also gently massage the area before pumping. This simple step may help support better flow during the session. It is important not to rush while pumping. Starting slowly and keeping a steady rhythm usually works better than using very strong settings immediately. Staying hydrated throughout the day also matters. Drinking enough water and eating regular meals can help support your body and daily routine. Another helpful habit is avoiding long gaps between pumping sessions. Regular milk removal often helps maintain a more consistent routine. Comfort is also important. If the pump position or settings feel uncomfortable, making small adjustments can improve the overall experience. Many mothers notice better results when they stay patient and follow a routine instead of focusing on immediate changes. Over time, your body adjusts naturally, and pumping sessions may become smoother and more productive. With consistency, comfort, and simple daily habits, increasing pumping output can become much easier and more manageable. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.